Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by preparing both sides. Confirm your Pbcom account is active and your Gcash is fully verified. Once done, open Gcash and navigate to the linked accounts or cash-in section to add a bank. Make sure you have your Pbcom account number and mobile on hand. You'll need an OTP. This step connects the two services securely, so take a moment to verify details before proceeding. Accuracy here prevents failed authorizations and speeds the next steps. Next, select Pbcom from Gcash's bank options and enter the exact Pbcom account number and account type. You'll also assign a nickname to recognize the account later. After you submit, expect an OTP to your registered mobile or a redirect to Pbcom's online banking to authorize the link. Approve the transaction as prompted. Make sure the account name matches your Gcash profile because mismatches trigger rejections. Once authorized, Gcash will confirm the bank link. Retain any reference number for records. Finally, verify the connection by performing a small cash-in from Gcash to Pbcom or vice versa. Choose 50 to 100 so any issue has low cost. Once completed, check both Gcash and Pbcom transaction histories to confirm the funds posted and the linked account appears. If anything goes wrong, first make sure account names and registered mobile numbers match and that both apps are updated. If problems persist, contact Pbcom or Gcash support with your reference number for quicker.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.